kids! Today we will learn about various coins. Do you know what are coins and what are they for? Let's learn. If you go to a shop and you want to buy a chocolate bar, you will have to give one or more coins to match its cost. So, you may pay coins to buy your favorite things. So let's get familiar with some important coins. I am a penny. I am a nickel. I am a dime. I am a quarter. I am a loonie. I am a toonie. So what we have learned? We have learned that we pay coins to buy our favorite things, and also names of our important coins. Now go ahead and take a quiz to learn more. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. And if you want to see more fun videos, you can hit that subscribe button. You can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram for more content. Bye-bye!